Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some Keto Southern Meatloaf. So stay tuned if you want the recipe. This morning I'm going to make a Southern meatloaf. I have 7327 fat ground beef. This is 16 ounces, 1 pound. It's going to be a small meatloaf. And then I have 1/3 cup of bell pepper. And then I have 1 whole garlic I chopped up, and a half an onion, 1 egg. And I'm going to put a teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of Coconut Amino, a half a teaspoon of thyme, a half a teaspoon of Italian Seasoning, a half a teaspoon of basil, a half a teaspoon of thyme, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So let me get started. Add 1 tablespoon of ketchup to the meatloaf. I added the ground beef. Now I'm going to add in the onions, garlic, and bell pepper. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of coconut amino, I'm going to add the ketchup in there because it's going to be 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Well, it's taking its own time to come out, so I will leave that for last. I turn it over here. Okay, half a teaspoon of thyme. If I can get it out of thyme. Season it. Half a teaspoon of basil. Half a teaspoon of basil. Half a teaspoon of thyme. Here we go. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I'm going to add the 1 egg in here. Only thing I haven't added is the ketchup. I'm trying to wait on it. I'm adding the ketchup in. I don't know if I have 2 teaspoons, but I'll rest this ball out. That way I will have 2 tablespoons. I put 1 tablespoon in there. This is a great Southern meatloaf I used to make, and it's still good. I made it keto, which is very easy to make. Just leave the flour out. I didn't want to add any almond flour in it, but it will be fine without it. My hand to mix everything together. I've mixed everything, so now I'm gonna get my pan. Okay, I'm gonna add everything to this pan, this little bread pan. I'm gonna spread it out. And spread it out evenly in the pan. And now I'm going to add some of the barbecue sauce on the top. I usually add ketchup, but I don't have any sugar-free ketchup. I just use it in the meatloaf, so I'm gonna use some barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce I'm using, and it's hickory flavor, sugar-free. And I added about 5 tablespoons of the sauce on top. What I'm gonna do is take this spoon and just spread it out over the meatloaf. I'm gonna place it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes to 55 minutes. So let me do that. Okay, I'm frying up some fish for myself. I marinated the fish for a couple hours with just some lemon pepper on it. And I'm gonna fry it up. I'm gonna let it cook for 12 minutes. I just ordered some more duck fat for my fryer that I'm frying my fish in right now. So I'm gonna add this to it a little bit later. Add some pepper. My salad just got olive oil, a lime, half lime, and some salt. And this is Bill's here. He likes the blue cheese dressing. And this is my lemon and pepper fish. I have nothing else on it except for that. Like I said earlier, I let it marinate for a couple hours, and I just fried it up. And my duck fat is in this meal, and it looks good. It tastes amazing. I'm not gonna eat all this fish, but I just cooked it just because I can always have it the next day. I don't have to turn the fryer on again, but this is what I'm having along with a salad, and I have some egg quiche that I made. I'm gonna have a slice of that, I believe. I like having lime with my fish or lemons, but today I'm having lime with my fish. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.